I'm going to show you how to change starting point on Waze mobile app, so let's get started. After you open the app, there are two ways how to do it. The first one is click on Where to, then enter your starting point address, and here click on More and set as start point. Now we got our start point, and then simply enter your final destination. This is the first way how to do it. The second way how to do it is very simple. Just zoom, pick the location, tap with your finger, hold, and then click on these three dots. First option, preview location. Here is your location. And the same process, click on more, set as start point. And that's it. This is how can you do it. Guys, thank you for watching. If you find it helpful, please leave a comment or like. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. See you.